girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Are you tired of sitting at the hair salon for hours to get your hair done? Well, this unit is ready to wear right out of the box. This unit came exactly like this, you guys. And if you don't believe me, you're definitely going to have to watch this unboxing. It's super creative and just obviously gorgeous. I mean, look at those curls. Without further ado, let's get into it. So shout out to Asteria Hair for sponsoring today's video and sending over this amazing units because hello, it's literally my new current fave. So in your package, you do get an HD wig cap. You also get a melting band, and of course you get a baby hair brush. This one is double-sided. You also get some wig tape in your order. You also receive this silk scrunchie, which is so pretty and pink, and you get these two cute pink bows that I did put in my hair today. This is the unit, and if you don't believe me, you guys, this unit did come pre-styled. It's a small 250% density 13x4, and it comes with everything done for you. I mean, look at this unit, you guys. Like, I could not make this up. It came with the baby hair, it came braided, it came with this beautiful zigzag part, and obviously ready to wear right out of the box. You just shake it out and put it on your head, girl. That's really it. Asteria Hair definitely did their big one with this unit, you guys. Like, look at these braids. Everything is just done so well. And here is the interior of the unit. This is a 13x4 with bleach knots. Like I said, you do get combs in this unit. You get an elastic band that is adjustable, and of course you get the straps in the very back as well, which I love. And without further ado, let's get into this install.
Young gun, the one that back calling me splurge. Ride me jump right off the curb. Make this bird fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swerve. Keep me a stick if they purge. Young gun, the one that they working my nerves. I'm about to pause and serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back of a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So with no hands, you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'm in the beat with P-Lady. QP ski. I love my bitches, it's pretty. They showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million. I rock with her really, let's fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. Ecstasy, wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trappin', I made me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see them whole precision. Give us my only decision. Young gun, the one that back calling me splurge. Ride me jump right off the curb. Make this bird fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swerve. Keep me a stick if they purge.
Fuck you,
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Asteria hair, and today I have this amazing pre-styled unit that I cannot wait to share with you guys because this is one of my current personal faves. I've definitely done a review on a look similar to this, but it was with straight hair. This one is actually this beautiful curly unit, and this isn't even all of the hair up front, you guys. But the design on this unit is so perfect. I cannot believe that they did something like this. And the fact that this is done for you, you don't have to worry about like trying to sit there for hours in a hair salon and get your hair done. This unit is already done for you. It was very quick and easy to install. It came with the baby hairs. I did switch mine up just a little bit, but it did come with the pre-made baby hairs. It has like this braid that goes around, like this really nice detail. It has these two ponytails at the top. Okay, it's one here and one over here. So these are the two ponytails, and they gave us these free bows. So if you guys are wondering where the bows came from, they came in our order. And look at how flawless this lace is, you guys. I mean, it's really giving like what lace for real. Like, and the fact that they made like these baby hairs and everything, and just like look how sleek this zigzag part is. Now I've done zigzag parts myself in the past, but they have never been this perfect. I think I need to take some notes from Asteria hair on the zigzag part because I love, like, look at that. Even like the fact that they have like this parting right here that shows like scalp. It's just giving scalp. It's just giving very, very natural. Now this unit is really full, you guys. Like, look how much hair. This is what all of it up front. It is so full. This unit is 250% density, you guys. This is a lot of hair, but it's perfect for this time of year because it's cold outside right now, and we love a good unit like this. But I like the fact that because it is a lot of hair, I love the fact that they have this design at the top because it does pull a lot of that back and away from your face, so you can actually see more of your face and you're not being like overwhelmed with like a bunch of curly hair. And whenever you get tired of this style, you can always take it down and wear the curly hair in whichever style that you want. You can do a middle part, side part, half up, half down, because this is a frontal unit, you guys. This is a 13x4 frontal unit, and it comes with the pre-cut lace, which was amazing, so you don't even have to cut the lace. It was so quick and easy to install, you guys. Like, it's actually kind of crazy. And if you don't want to, you don't have to use the Got2b glue, but I did use some of the Got2b glue just right here at the edges. I didn't use it like all over the front. I'll actually do the comb test for you guys. So I'm just gonna take this comb. Like, look at how amazing this looks. Like, it just gives scalp. Like, Asteria hair this is insane. Like, look at this. You see my comb? My comb is all the way up in there, okay? And it's just like perfection, literally. Now this unit, as far as the construction goes, it does come with two straps. It has the elastic band that is adjustable, that's at the top half that you can hook in or take out. It's optional, whatever your preference is. And then it also has straps in the very back, and it has a comb as well. And this unit fits me so secure. You can definitely do a glueless install with a unit like this. And like I said, this is just pre-styled and amazing right out of the box. Like, you cannot be mad at this, you guys. I do currently have mine in a small cap size because I do have a small head. So if you have a small petite head like myself, they do have small sizes available. And I like the fact that this is not like a one size fits all unit, because I feel like a lot of companies are like that. Like, they don't have small, medium, large. Like, a lot of companies just have one size and you can just adjust it to your head size, but this unit is specifically for small heads. Like I said, they do have different sizes available. This is not to say that they don't have wigs that are big head friendly, but I specifically ordered mine in a small, okay? So if you have a larger head, don't worry about it. You can definitely get the same look that I got. And like, look how intricate and detailed this braid is here, you guys. It's just like so bomb. Same thing on this side, just very intricate, very small, and it goes up into the ponytail up here. And there is rubber bands here. You guys can't see them because I have the bows right there, but there are rubber bands there as well. Guys, this is a 26-inch unit. I know it does look shorter than 26 inches, and that's just because of how tight this curl pattern is. But they typically go off of the stretch length. So let's just take a piece from the back here and then pull it down. So this is where the hair is hitting, and then if you stretch it out, it goes, my belly button is here, so it goes like down there. But this unit is super, super curly. You guys see how curly this hair is. I'm not sure on the exact curl pattern, but I'll go ahead and put it on the screen for you guys here, or I'll put it down below in the description box for you. But this is beautiful. Let me actually turn around too so you guys can see just how pretty this is. Y'all see what it's giving, okay? And I like the fact that even though this is like a really full unit, the curls are still very much so defined on here, so that's just the best. This unit does come with undetectable HD lace, so if you're looking for a really good HD lace unit, you're gonna love this one. You don't have to do the baby hairs like this. You can actually play around with them if you want. They were a little bit too long for me, so I did cut them, but other than that, everything is done for you right out of the box. Asteria Hair is definitely one of my like #1 favorite companies. I have to be honest, they always have really amazing units, and this one did not disappoint today. So shout out to Asteria Hair for sending over this unit. Shout out to all of you guys for watching. If you're interested, a link will be listed down below, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.